MFReadWrite.dll is missing error on Windows N, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Press Win+I to open Settings. Click on Apps and Features on the left side, and tap on the optional Features link on the right side. Now, click on Add a Feature. Scroll down until you find the Media Feature Pack, and check the box to its left. Finally, click on Install below, and follow the instructions to get the pack. That's it. By installing the Media Feature Pack, you will also get the MFReadWrite.dll, and you will no longer get the MFReadWrite.dll is missing error. This guide will also fix the MFPLAT.dll missing error as well. Open the browser of your choice and navigate to the official Media Feature Pack download page. Scroll down to the Download section. Select the edition of your Windows 10N and click on Confirm below. After downloading the pack, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to get the desired components. If you don't know which Windows edition you have installed, select Start Settings, System, then select About. In this window, you will see the edition, version, and OS build information.